in Germany. We were so awed by the infrastructure, the architecture of this whole thing, and there's this one space for actually like the BMW clients where they actually get special treatment for that. And our dream in 10 years
Yes,
is
we
to
will
be
come back.
that client.
Yeah, we're gonna get one
Yes.
car from here. So
Yeah.
hopefully, fingers crossed.
We had a chance to also take a look at the BMW Classic Group, right?
Yeah,
The
right.
history, the very beginning, the cars, motorbike, and everything. It's so very informative.
Our day was pretty fun, very challenging. The weather was a bit difficult. It didn't cooperate in the morning, but in the afternoon it was
It's really good. The
It was
weather was
really
really good. It was a very full day, so we had 3 challenges,
Yeah.
and then in those 3 challenges there were like 5 different mini challenges, so it was rare. And then the quiz questions, so we learned a lot about Munich and about its history, and also learning about how to prepare like the weisswurst, the
dumpling.
beer and the dumplings.
Yeah,
So
that was fun.
we learned a lot about the culture of Bavaria.
Yesterday we went to the highest point of Germany.
First we got to go down to a glacier via the cable car
Yeah.
as well. Then we had a chance to play with some snow on the side, and we built a snowman.
Yeah.
Of course, and we also play the slide down the snow lah. So we have fun like a little kid.
So on a whole, this trip was absolutely amazing. Munich was super cool. It was both of our first times here. We were spoiled. So Lufthansa, simply Munich, the people from the airport, all the sponsors, Bold hotels where we were staying. Everyone just went above and beyond to make our stay extra special. And we loved it. And now I definitely want to come back. I'm sure you do as well.
Yeah, it was such a good trip. I mean, yeah, first time in Germany. I think if we came by ourselves, we definitely wouldn't have seen or done all the things that we got to do with this trip. So it was, yeah, just a great experience, and we're really thankful, and definitely be back hopefully soon.
I loved it so much. I love it here.
Definitely,
Amazing.
definitely I will come back. I mean, in 5 more years, 10 more years, I mean, whenever it is, I will come back.
Yeah.